Russia's most capable weapon system now is the Lancet Kamikaze drone. While the specification isn't something especially impressive, the flexibility and targeting capability offers Russia a capability they often lack by other weapon systems. The guiding capability and hard to protect against makes this weapon system responsible for taking out a lot of Ukrainian equipment. As Ukraine destroys many of Russia's tanks with the help of drones, Lancet does the same job for Russia, but as seen in this video, the effectiveness of the system is based upon hitting a less protected section of the target. As this Lancet drone strikes the Leopard 2A6 on the front section, where the armor is the heaviest, the damage isn't substantial, letting the tank to keep going without much problem, needing some minor repairs, wasting a $35,000 drone on a bad strike. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.